Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 9th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, the topic is polynomial. Polynomial is not a new term for you. You have got idea about what is meant by polynomial from your previous years, especially from 7th standard. The introduction of polynomial happened while talking about algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. When algebraic expressions came into your studies, it was about what is an algebraic expression. For that question we answered that when we started using English alphabets along with what we say numbers, because normally whenever we talk about mathematics, numbers come in our mind. For example, if we are writing 2x, it is a number and an alphabet and it becomes an algebraic expression. 2x plus 1 becomes an algebraic expression. And in that class, I mean in the previous year, you studied 2 as a coefficient, which gives a little more efficiency to the x, and x was termed as, or even now it is named as, variable, because its value can be anything, and this we understood as constant because it cannot have any other value, it is 1. That was one set of study you did at that time. Then you studied about a concept of another aspect of learning. It was about terms in an expression. This one, 2x, is a term. It's a term, and 1 is another term, though it is a constant. Suppose that there is an expression like 3x square plus 2x plus 1. There are 3 terms. So we understood what are terms over here, and if there are 3 terms, we named such algebraic expression as trinomial. First time nomial came and we are in polynomials now. When expressions are having more than 3 terms, we named it as polynomial, or more nomials are there, and polynomial can be more than 2 or more than 2 can be named as polynomial. Monomial is a single expression term like this. So this is the history of what of the topic. In fact, something more you learned in the class. It was about sometimes the expression can be like this. Sometimes the expression can be 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 3. It can be a polynomial like this, and all are having a variable here, x here, and here is a constant, no variable, and these things which are written as index are named as the power of the polynomial, and maximum power over here is 3, here it is 2, here it is 1, and here it is a constant. So power of a polynomial is related to it. Another thing you studied, because maths is like that, you have a connection with whatever you learned in the previous. Whenever you wrote x cube, you said this as power or index, and you studied in the lesson indices about the rules of or laws of indices. You also studied about what will happen if it is x raised to 0, it is equal to 1, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. This also you have studied. All these are previous knowledge having connection with this topic, which is named as again as polynomial. This is also polynomial, where you know about coefficient, variable, power, term, monomial, binomial, trinomial. अभी और क्या है polynomial में? That is the quest over here. We are going to learn more about more aspects of polynomial. When will you say that one second, when will you say that an expression as polynomial? There are certain conditions in which you can say an algebraic expression as a polynomial. The condition is that If there is the condition is saying that, for example, if the index, just now I told you the power, if the index is somewhat like this, for example, y raised to, for example, y raised to half plus 5. Here the power of y is 1 upon 2. It is not a whole number. Such a expression is not named as polynomial. Understood? If the expression is something like this, y raised to minus 1 minus 3, this is also not a polynomial because the power of y is minus 1. So in the case of polynomials, you cannot have the power as a fraction or power as minus 1. It should be whole number in the sense that from 0 to any other number. Okay, so this is another basic thing you should remember in connection with polynomial. What can be named as polynomial and what can be categorized as polynomial. Okay, so that way it is. We will go ahead. What is there in the textbook is very important. With the help of a textual example, you can get the idea. If there are only one term, it is monomial, two term, it is binomial, three term, it is a trinomial. It is given very clearly in page 37 of your textbook is giving a chart. I am not wasting time by reproducing it because limited time videos are good for you. बड़ा बड़ा वीडियो बनाएगा तो आपको भी पूरा देखने का इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा. पेज नंबर 37 स्टार्टिंग में आपको एक चार्ट मिलेगा जिसमें आपको मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल जो कुछ मैंने बताया उधर तक आपको समझ में आएगा. Another concept of polynomial what you have already studied is about degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial is purely connected with the power of polynomial. Degree of polynomial is nothing but the highest power of the variable is called degree of that polynomial. Highest power, ये word आपको याद रखना है. Highest power. For example, if there is an expression 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9, then its highest power in this case is equal to 7. So the degree of this polynomial, we say that this is a polynomial with degree 7. तो आप पूछते होंगे if it is something a simple constant is given like 10, is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? It is a constant within polynomial, but it can be expressed as 10 into x raised to 0. I told you earlier a raised to 0 is equal to 1, so it is equal to 10 raised to 1, 10 into 1, which is equal to 10. So as it is having an index 0 here, we will say that the degree of a non-zero constant, this is a non-zero constant, it's a constant and not 0 also. So this is having a degree of this polynomial is equal to degree of a constant other than 0. Degree is equal to 0 in this case. Very rarely, आपको नहीं है और आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर भी नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ पॉलिनोमियल आपको नहीं आने वाला है जिसमें मोर देन वन वेरिएबल है. फिर भी आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है 3m cube n6 plus 7m square and n cube minus mn, और पूछा गया है कि इसका डिग्री क्या है, व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल. सो नॉर्मली अभी तक क्या बताया, सिंगल वेरिएबल था, इसके अंदर टू वेरिएबल m भी है n भी है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल बाय एडिंग द powers. That means you will add 3 plus 6 in the first term, which is equal to 9, and second term 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5, and this is maximum. So we will say that degree of this polynomial just for your knowledge and for 1 mark question if it comes. Degree of this particular polynomial is 9 because this 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. इतना ही आपको याद रखना है. फर्दर आप 11th स्टैंडर्ड में मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं तो उधर होएगा. Okay, so you are having all this knowledge with you, which is very important for fundamental aspect of a polynomial. Okay, now another concept of polynomial is coming here. What is that? It is about writing from degree. We are going to, according to the degree, we have named the polynomials as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. इसमें भी कुछ वंडरफुल कुछ या स्पेशल कुछ नहीं है. लीनियर पोलिनोमियल इज हैविंग डिग्री के ऊपर क्लासिफाई किया है नाम डालने के लिए. 1 क्वाड्रेटिक विल बी हैविंग डिग्री 2, क्यूबिक विल बी हैविंग डिग्री 3. इतना आपको समझना है. Okay, now normally when we write polynomial ax plus b format में लिखते हैं. b will be a constant in this case and it is a linear polynomial. If you are having a format ax square bx plus c, वो इसमें आ गया, फिर square आ गया and this is a b c are constant. Here it will work as a coefficient, here it will work as constant, and this ax square bx plus c is a polynomial in degree 2 and this way we write its standard form. मैंने term use किया standard form of writing. and तीसरा हमको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ax cube, a कुछ भी हो सकता है, plus bx square plus cx plus d, ऐसे लिख के जा सकते हैं. so this became example for a cubic polynomial where the degree is equal to 3 and this is again a standard form of cubic polynomial. तो जब आप सोचेंगे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बोलेगा तो ऐसा बहुत सारे फॉर्म भी है क्या? है, बहुत सारे फॉर्म हैं. ठीक है, ये वीडियो में वो भी आपको बताता हूँ. वी कैन से अबाउट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म फर्स्ट विच ऑलरेडी यू नो नाउ. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कैसे होता है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल. जब स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में पॉलिनोमियल को लिखना है तो जैसा अभी हम लिख के आ रहा था वैसे ही लिखेंगे. आई नीड टू टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. सपोज हियर इज ए पॉलिनोमियल आपको मिल जाता है. पॉलिनोमियल को p डालते हैं, p ऑफ x वेरिएबल वाला एक पॉलिनोमियल है, इसलिए उसका नाम p ऑफ x बोला. एंड क्या दिया है? ऐसा कुछ दिया है, x माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 प्लस x4. तो आपको थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो गया, ये क्या पॉलिनोमियल है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म नहीं लिख रहे, कुछ तो गड़बड़ दिख रहे है ना. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म तभी बोलेंगे व्हेन वी राइट इट इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ डिक्रीजिंग डिग्री. तो मुझे इसको रीराइट करना पड़ेगा. कैसा लिखना पड़ेगा? आई विल राइट x रेज टू 4 माइनस 3x रेज टू 2, 3 वाला दिया नहीं है, देन प्लस x प्लस 5. तो थोड़ा हमको समझ में आया. दिस इज ओके. x4 x square x plus 5. फिर डिस्टर्बेंस क्या आया? Where is the power of 3? There is no variable showing power of 3. So we have a method of writing. What we have written is as it is gone. This is called standard form of polynomial. Then we are missing an index here. So there is another form of polynomial where we take care of index and we call such polynomial or such way of presenting polynomial as index form. क्यों index form हो गया? हम index को importance दिया. तो यही polynomial को अगर index form में लिखने जाएगा, what we will do? We will write x raised to 4. Correct? हमको वो x raised to 3 वाला नहीं है, उसका वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए we will write 0 into x raised to 3 या x to the power of 3. वैल्यू तो नहीं है बट पोजीशन मिल गया. व्हाट इज दैट पोजीशन? द पोजीशन ऑफ power. Okay, then we will write what is given. Sorry, then we will write minus 3x square plus x plus 5. So we have become successful in writing index form of that same polynomial. So standard form is there, index form is there for writing the polynomial. There is another form which is named as coefficient form. और नाम से ही पता चलता है वो क्या form, coefficient. All these expressions, all the terms are having its own coefficient. If you think about the coefficient in this case, here it must be 1. When there is nothing, it is 1. Here 0. Here coefficient is -3. Here is 1, and this is constant. So we will simply write down the coefficient form. We will only pick up the coefficient and write. Coefficient form of writing of polynomial is simply 1. Value नहीं, but you are writing the coefficient. 1, comma डालेंगे. ये तो है ही नहीं. Then you will be writing a -3. Then you will be writing here again 0. Sorry, I am going wrong. So we wrote it in the form of index form. There is one more form of writing, one more way of writing the polynomial, that is named as coefficient form. Coefficient form, as the name indicates, it must be connected with the coefficient. Here the coefficient is 1. When there is no coefficient, it is 1. Here it is 0. Here it is -3. Here it is 1 again. Here the last one is a constant. So we will write 1, 0, -3, 1, 5. So this becomes coefficient form of representation of polynomial. तो हम किधर से किधर पहुंचा? We started with a algebraic expression. From there we ourselves remembered the concept of coefficient, variable, power, term, then monomial, binomial, trinomial, then the degree of a polynomial. From the degree of polynomial we reach to the concept of what way the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial, etc. Depending on the degrees. And now we know about the standard form, index form, and coefficient form of polynomial. इतना knowledge आपको बार बार read करके समझ में आने के बाद आपको exercise number 3.1, which is very simple, you will do that. Okay, the next video will be on the rest of the chapter, which will be talking about operations on polynomial. It is a little large and I need to go fast in that case in order to fix your video in a small few minutes. So at that time I will be very quickly using coefficient, index, standard form, that one, degree, and all those things. So you should cop up with my speed. For that sake I would request you to be very clear about this thing so that it will be easy for you to understand. The rest of the things in the chapter is very important for next year also. Okay, thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.